Want to know how to rank high in AI search results? Discover the secret using the free Veridex tool. Get your perfect score today. This
Welcome back to The Explainer. Let's just dive straight in today, because we are talking about a massive headache for anyone running a website. I'm talking about metric overload. If you're trying to figure out how your web page is actually performing right now, you are probably drowning in data. And honestly, it's completely holding you back.
I mean, just think about your current workflow for a second. It's totally exhausting, isn't it? You've got one tab open trying to check your site speed, then you've got another one running a technical SEO audit. A third tab is just trying to figure out if your content is actually, any good. You're juggling 5 different reports from 5 different tools, all just to answer one incredibly simple question: is my page actually working? It's just such a scattered, frustrating way to manage things.
But what if we could just cut through all that clutter? Compare that old way, the endless tabs, the scouted reports, the pure exhaustion of it all, with a much better approach. Imagine getting just one number, one single clear grade that tells you exactly where your page stands today. That's the ultimate relief we're exploring today, an absolute game changer designed to give you instant clarity without the migrate.
Enter the Veridex score. This was built by the team over at Sesso Software AI. Now hold on, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another generic SEO metric, let me stop you right there. This is definitely not just some repackaged domain authority metric. It doesn't use that old-school backlink-based authority modeling that legacy third-party tools do. No, this is a proprietary composite scoring system built specifically for how search works today.
And let's just look at how beautifully simple this is. The Veridex score literally just grades your page on a scale from 1 to 99. That's it. It's a page-level score that instantly anchors your performance. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned developer, getting a score of, say, 85 out of 99 instantly communicates exactly how strong that specific web page is.
So you're probably wondering, how exactly is this calculated? Well, the Veridex engine is broken down into 5 core dimensions. These are the exact things that both traditional search engines and modern AI systems actually care about. We're talking technical health, trust signals, page speed, content quality, and, okay, this is the real kicker here, AI visibility.
Let's talk about that AI search visibility for a second, because this is truly revolutionary. Literally no traditional SEO score measures this directly. If you drop a target keyword in when running your Veridex scan, the system does a live check to see if your domain is actually likely to be cited inside a generative AI answer for that specific search. In a world where AI is completely taking over search, measuring this directly is just incredibly powerful.
And listen, these aren't just AI guesses, all right? You can't just copy a prompt into some generic AI chatbot and get a Veridex score. Why? Because Veridex pulls real-world, live data directly from your page. Page speed, for example, is drawn from real mobile performance data, which is exactly how Google evaluates mobile core web vitals. Because let's face it, mobile is where the vast majority of real-world visitors are anyway. Diving a bit deeper into the technical side, Veridex is actually pulling your live source code. It programmatically checks for things like the presence of structured data, proper meta descriptions, making sure you have a single well-formed H1 tag, and correct canonical tags. It even checks foundational trust signals, like verifying if the page is securely served over HTTPS. It's extracting verifiable, hard data from your actual HTML.
Now when it comes to content quality, the approach is just as rigorous. Veridex doesn't just lazily count keywords. Instead, it uses an AI model that acts much more like a human editor. It evaluates content depth, clarity, and genuine expertise, making sure the page actually has substantive content, rather than just, thin placeholder text. It wants to know if your page is actually worth reading.
Of course, whenever you present a shiny metric from 1 to 99, a very natural question pops up, especially from the skeptics out there. Okay, what is the exact mathematical formula behind this score? Like, how exactly are these 5 dimensions weighted and mashed together to get that final number?
Well, here is the crucial point. The creators are totally transparent about the fact that they keep the exact formula completely hidden, and for very good reason. Think about it like a credit bureau. They don't publish their exact algorithm, right? As the creators put it perfectly, a scoring system that is fully public is trivially easy to game rather than genuinely improve.
This is absolutely a brilliant feature, not a bug. If the formula was totally public, people would just manipulate the system to get a 99 without actually making their website any better for real human beings. By keeping the exact math hidden, Veridex encourages genuine improvement. But here's the best part. The 5 areas of improvement are fully transparent. If you fix your schema, or speed up your mobile load times, or deepen your content, your score will absolutely go up. Real fixes equal a better score, period.
To help you figure out exactly what to fix, Veridex gives you super clear, actionable labels alongside your overall score. So instead of getting bogged down in precise decimals, you get labels like needs work, developing, strong, or excellent. If you score a 70 or above, your foundation is solid. In the 50s, the foundation is there, but one dimension is holding you back. And if you're below 50, you've got a real, fixable gap that needs your attention right now. And my absolute favorite part? The payoff for doing the work goes way beyond just internal knowledge. When you run a completed scan, you get a shareable results page and a custom embeddable trust badge. You can put this gear and magnifying glass badge right on your website. It actually creates a permanent link back to your verified results, which doubles as a genuine off-page SEO signal.
How cool is that?
So, who is this really for? Honestly, it's the ultimate tool for site owners who just want to track one clear number instead of juggling 5 different tools. It's perfect for agencies who need a professional headline metric to show clients. It's great for content teams prioritizing audits. And frankly, it is absolutely essential for anyone trying to compete for AI search visibility in today's wild landscape.
It is time to stop guessing, folks. Stop drowning in metric overload. The verifiable data is out there, just waiting for you to use it. Which leaves us with one incredibly important question. What is your page's Veridex score right now? Don't just sit there wondering. Head over to seosoftwareai.com/tool/Veridex score, run a free scan, and find out exactly where you stand on the web today.